Tell me, is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now.
Yo, what is up, guys? Check it out. Good morning. A la madre. Hola, Gerda. What we got here? What is it? 2009? Customer states. I'll just let you see what's going on. Date la. ¿Cómo se llama? Para hacer el pressure test. Got a major coolant leak here. I believe it's a radiator, but we're gonna double check right now. Let me get a light. Stream light. Check it out. It's leaking a lot. Se le calentó, mijo. Oh, definitely the radiator. Well, you don't even have to pressure test it. That's correct right there. Checar acá. Make sure it's not leaking. Nothing on here. Y la water pump. Looks dry. Looks like it's just coming from the rad. Gonna need a rad. Let's go ahead and call the client. Let's go ahead and tell the client, see what they need. I'll tell them what they need. ¿Qué año es esta? I don't know. 2013. Okay. BMW. Radiator. We're calling the radiator right now. With police package or without police package? That's sassy. Este es, chicos. Right now, guys, we're letting the client know everything, the radiator, what we found, the price, the labor. So we're getting quoted. Gotta quote it quick. That way we can finish the day early. It's Saturday. You know what that means. If we get the client's approval, knock it out right now. Esto es así. Go ahead and call him. He's not answering. Esto es así. All right, people. All right, chat. So check it out. Oh shit. Client approved the radiator. We're gonna take care of that. We're checking the rear. I think he said he hears the grinding.
The rear will do it.
Supóngase los de atrás.
These are also low.
Oh my god. Alright, let's see if we can hear something. Bum, bum, ba-da-da-da. Turn it on. Woo. You already know that famous Impala. I can't hear shit. But it's because this thing is freaking loud. Ahí está ya. Ahí va. Oh, yeah, it's definitely the rear. Oh yeah, it's the rear. The rear ones. The front ones are. Ooh, I feel like the rear ones are more. Ugh.
Or worser.
Or worser.
They're pretty low too.
Shit, brother. He needs all four.
5%.
Let me tell him.
Yeah, start taking up.
Yeah, just start taking off the radiator. That's for sure. Hey, Papa. So check it out. The rear ones are completely gone. The front ones, they're almost gone. I was looking at the rotors. The rotors aren't that damaged. If you're in a budget, we could definitely just do the pad slap and rotors later in the future. That way you could have at least new brake pads all around. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sounds good. So all four brakes and the radiator, right? Okay, sounds good then. Let me go ahead and let me go get the parts and I'll just text you right now the total. Cool. Bye. All right, chat. He just wanted to do the. He's in the budget, guys. Like clients, people. I mean, not everybody got money like that, you know. Some people don't have a lot of money. Some people got money. So he just want to do a pet slap. I can't judge you, man. I mean, we've been there before, you know. We got money.
We got money for car.
Hello, is it Manny? What's the make, year, model? 2009 Camry. What issues are having with the vehicle? What is the zip code location of the vehicle?
Oh, it's 77. Chattanooga, Texas, 77530.
Yeah, we could definitely check it out. I mean, we don't know how much it'll cost to fix until we check it and confirm what's really going on here. Yeah. So our diagnosis fee is the soonest availability will be till next Tuesday. We're completely booked for this week and Monday. Yeah. No worries, bye. Not everybody got money for rotors. Nowadays, every rotor is like $100 each. So we're gonna do a quick pet slap, take care of it, and you could be back in the road. We're gonna take care of it good. We're gonna make sure there's no future issues or stuff like that. So let's go ahead and go get the tools. Go get the parts. Alright guys, so check it out. Come with me to get the parts. That way we can take care of this vehicle and get the client back on the road. So let's go to Auto Parts, take care of it, and yeah guys, pretty easy job. It's Saturday. Let's take it easy and that way we can be ready. Saturdays we only like to work half a day, so we've been working late all week, so we gotta take a little rest, you know. But yeah guys, let's go. Alright guys, so got the parts. Let's go ahead and head back to the job site, take care of it. It's currently 10 a.m. so we got another appointment after this. Let's go ahead and start going. Got everything. Alright guys, check it out. We are completely done. Well, with the brakes. The front rear brakes are done. Front brakes are done. These are the old ones. You can see right here where it's completely, pretty much gone. So look at that. So we're able to take care of them. So we are almost done with the radiator. All four brakes are done. Now we just have to finish up, delete the cooling system, and that should be it. This car's gonna be ready back on the road in about 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, guys. Pretty cool day outside. So I like working in this type of weather. Actually, feels good. Feels good. I don't even have to wear like. Well, I like wearing shorts, so I don't like the winter. We're almost done. Okay, chicos, fans are on. Oh, they just turned off, so everything's burped, everything's ready to go. Let's go ahead and take this off. Boom, boom. Ready to go. Tell the client it's ready and let's get out of here. On to the next one. And these shocks, and these front shocks. But that's a whole different story. Vámonos, chico. And the key's here. Oh, damn. Oh, go ahead and close the door, window. Hello, this is Manny.
Hi, yes. I was actually calling because I was, my car is kind of not working right now.
Oh my God. Yes. Lunch hour. Oh my God. It's too slow.
It's low. You can't call
Yes, 38, please, 38.
And the meal.
Yes, 39, please, 39.
Yeah.
Okay, that was for me.
Yeah, take it.
I'll get a.
Acá está. Thank you.
Your weekend's 45 today, please. Thank you.
I love In-N-Out. Con sangre. Every time we're on this side of town, we gotta get In-N-Out. Ooh, and lemonade. The best. Y'all like In-N-Out, guys, or no? Come on, chat. Talk to me, chat.
I'm gonna eliminate you.
You're such a catty kid. Let's eat lunch real quick.